What is extensive and intensive properties? Extensive properties. Properties of system which depend on amount of matter is called as extensive property, which is additive in nature. On the other hand, intensive properties are the properties of system which does not depend on amount of matter is called as intensive properties, which is non-additive in nature. To understand this, let assume a container filled with air, having pressure P, volume V, temperature T, moles N, density D and concentration C. Now if we divide this container into two equal halves, what do you think which of the following properties will change and which will remain same? Here pressure, temperature, density and concentration will remain same, but moles and volume will becomes half. So properties which are remain same are not depending on amount, so they are intensive properties. And properties which are changed are depends on amount of matter, so they are extensive properties. Example of extensive property are mass, moles, volume, internal energy, enthalpy, Gibbs energy, entropy, resistance, heat capacity and viscosity. On the other hand, example of intensive property are pressure, density, temperature, boiling point, melting point, refractive index, specific volume, molar heat capacity, specific heat capacity, resistance, concentration and pH. Note, ratio of to extensive property is intensive property, for example density, molarity and pressure.